When a dog sucks on blankets, it can be puzzling for pet parents. There can be any number of reasons, some more common than others. In this video, we'll share the 8 common reasons, ways to stop your dog from sucking on blankets, and how to provide safety. So stick until the end to learn everything you need to know, and comment below if your dog sucks on blankets. Before we start, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button to see more videos like this. So let's start. Reason number 1, missing their mom. One reason could be that they are missing their mom, that they have separation anxiety. Puppies typically nurse from the mother dog until around 8 weeks old, and after being weaned, they can look for comfort from other objects. When puppies are taken away from their mother too early, they may turn to sucking on blankets as a way to soothe themselves. Reason number 2, they are in anxiety. Another reason dogs might suck on blankets is that they are anxious, for example, due to separation anxiety when you leave the house without them, or due to loud noises. Dogs who are anxious or fearful might find comfort in sucking on something soft. That can help them calm down and feel safer. Reason number 3, because of teething discomfort. Teething is also a common reason why dogs suck on blankets. Puppies start teething at around 3 to 4 months and can continue teething until they are 12 months old. During this time, they may relieve the pain and discomfort of teething by sucking on blankets or other objects. Reason number 4, love the scent. Many dogs love the smell of their blanket and may suck on it to bring comfort. Blankets can become associated with positive experiences, like being cuddled or sleeping in your bed. So it can be comforting for dogs to smell the scent of their blanket. Reason number 5, it's a comfort item. Blankets can also serve as a comfort item for many dogs. Much like we may carry around our favorite stuffed animal when feeling anxious, some dogs find solace in sucking on blankets or other things that provide them security. Reason number 6, helps to fall asleep. In addition, sucking on blankets helps some dogs fall asleep more quickly. That is because the pressure from sucking helps to release calming hormones in their body that can make them feel sleepy and relaxed. Reason number 7, canine compulsive disorder. Canine compulsive disorder, or CCD, is another reason some dogs suck on blankets. CCD is an anxiety disorder that causes dogs to engage in repetitive behaviors, such as blanket sucking or pacing. If your dog appears to be excessively sucking on a blanket, it's essential to speak with a veterinarian about the possibility of CCD and possible treatment options. Reason number 8, it became a habit. Finally, some dogs develop sucking behavior over time. Dogs learn quickly, so if they have been rewarded for the sucking behavior in the past with treats or attention, they are likely to continue the behavior in the future. It's best to talk with your vet if you think this might be the case. Understanding why your dog sucks on blankets can help you to provide the right kind of support and help them break the habit if desired. If your dog is engaging in blanket sucking, it's essential to speak with a veterinarian to ensure no underlying medical or behavior issues need to be addressed. When it comes to why dogs have the sucking behavior, there can be many possible explanations. Knowing what might be causing the behavior can be beneficial for providing your pup with the best care possible. You now want to know how to stop your dog from sucking on blankets. Way number 1, distract your dog. One way to stop your dog sucking on blankets is to distract them with something else. Try playing with them or giving them a toy to chew on. You can also put some treats in a Kong toy or somewhere else they have to work for to get to the food. That will keep them occupied and hopefully stop them from sucking on blankets. Way number 2, recognize the triggers. If you want to stop your dog from sucking on blankets, you need to recognize the triggers that cause them to do so. Common triggers include being bored or anxious, and when they see someone else sucking on a blanket. If you can identify what sets your dog off, you can work to prevent them from engaging in the behavior. You may also need to help them deal with whatever is causing them to be anxious or bored. Once you have recognized the triggers that cause your dog to suck on blankets, you can provide them with alternative comfort items. There are a variety of toys and things that your pet can choose from, including chew toys, stuffed animals, and even special blankets designed for dogs. These can be used as an alternative to sucking on regular blankets and may help encourage your dog to stop the behavior. Way number 3, train the dog with leave it. One way to train to stop the dog behavior is to use the command leave it. It tells your dog to stop what they are doing and focus on you. When you give this command, ensure consistency and provide positive reinforcement when your dog follows through. Way number 4. Stop encouraging it. Your dog may have been accidentally trained to suck on blankets by you, which would explain why it does it. That would be more likely the cause if you frequently offer the animal the attention, snacks, or toys it craves in exchange for sucking your blankets. Way number 5. Provide chewing toys. Chewing toys can help stop a dog from sucking on blankets. Dogs may suck on blankets for various reasons, such as boredom as mentioned earlier, anxiety, or stress relief. If your dog is sucking on blankets, try providing him or her with a few chew toys to keep them occupied. That will help stop them from sucking on blankets and save their teeth healthily. Way number 6. Create a routine and keep it consistent. Creating a routine for your pet is another way to stop blanket sucking. Make sure they have plenty of physical activity during the day and give them something positive to focus on in their free time, like playtime or snuggles. Keeping this routine consistent and rewarding can help your pet find comfort in activities other than blanket sucking. Way number 7. Be patient. Finally, it is essential to be patient while trying to stop your dog from sucking on blankets. It may take some time for them to learn that the behavior is unacceptable, so don't give up too soon. With consistent reminders, rewards for good behavior, and a little patience, you should eventually be able to get your dog to stop the blanket sucking habit. Way number 8. Contact your vet. Most of the time, sucking activity is innocuous until it develops into a habit. Consult your veterinarian if your dog is sucking excessively on their blanket or other items, or if your dog starts sucking without any reason. Compulsive sucking in dogs is one of the signs of CCD, which is uncommon. You must consult your veterinarian to receive the appropriate diagnosis and treatment. When sucking turns into an obsession, your dog might ingest dangerous objects. It becomes obsessive when your dog engages in behavior for extended periods without ceasing. Always watch for indications of obsessive tendencies in your dog's behavior. Let's now discuss the most important question. Is blanket sucking dangerous? Some people believe that blanket sucking is dangerous because it can cause the dog to choke. However, this is usually not the case, as dogs typically do not suck hard enough to cause any real danger. Some people believe that blanket sucking can be beneficial for dogs, as it helps them relieve stress and anxiety. However, ensuring that this activity doesn't hurt your dog is crucial. You should take a few straightforward safety measures to prevent your pet from suffering harm from sucking habits. Clean up the blanket. Doggy blankets are pretty prone to attracting dirt and germs. If your dog continues to suck on a filthy blanket, it could cause diseases. Wash your dog's blankets frequently to keep them clean. In some cases, you can even discover that a clean dog blanket might assist in discouraging the tendency. Watch out for choking risks. Sucking is an activity that is not exclusive to blankets. Any soft object, including stuffed animals, will entice certain dogs to suck. That may put your dog at risk of choking. Things like buttons, beads, and other items can hurt your dog by choking on them. Make sure your dog's blanket is free of buttons and other pieces of loose fabric that they could ingest. That also applies to plush animals. When sucking on something, a dog can easily swallow something hazardous. Puppies who absorb non-food things risk getting intestinal obstructions or ingesting poison. If your dog is sucking on blankets, should you stop it? Many dog owners believe they're failing as canine caregivers when they notice their canines sucking on blankets. In actuality, though, blanket sucking is both familiar and safe. Owners who attempt to help them stop the behavior frequently fail. Dogs who are denied their preferred cuddle will often seek out another object if they can. There was probably nothing you could have done to stop the behavior other than to allow a puppy to remain with its mother for a little bit longer. Because it makes them feel secure and at ease, your dog does it. They aren't endangering themselves or worsening their condition if they are attempting to ingest the blanket. There is nothing wrong with doing this if their only goal is improving their mood. Most behaviorists agree that there is no reason to stop a dog from sucking on a blanket if doing so will help them feel safe at all times. Although you should wash the blankets frequently to prevent bacterial growth, there is no need for concern. Now we're at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Click the first link in the description and get a free digital copy of our Happy Dog Handbook, the essential guide for dog owners. This handbook helps to provide dogs with everything they need to live the healthiest and happiest life possible. And if you got value from this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this.